everyone, I hope you're all doing very well today. So we are still in Vlogmas, but today I thought I'd actually do a vlog. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a while. The last vlog I did was my moving day vlog, and that was, what, 3 weeks, maybe a month ago now. So I thought, you know what, we'll do a nice little vlog today. We're going to IKEA, I'm going to get some work done, and I've also got some bedroom unpacking to do, so I thought it'd be nice to vlog it. So I hope you all do enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me, leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this, and let's get started. So today, as I said, we're going to be going to IKEA. We haven't actually been to IKEA yet since we moved. There's so many things that I want to get. I want to get like a filming trolley. There's a couple of shelves that I want. There's definitely a desk and mirror that I want to get. But then the most important part of the moment is a stand for my TV, because currently my TV is like really wobbly. So we're going to get a Kallax unit for that. I do still need a wardrobe, but we're probably going to have to order that because I don't think it'll fit in the car. But at least we can have a look and decide which wardrobe I want. I'm currently using a cardboard box as a wardrobe, so we'll get there. But anyway, I want to take you guys along with me, and we're about to set off. I'm going to grab a bottle of water, I'm going to grab my laptop, and then we're going to set off. So we've now had a little change of plan. We were on our way to IKEA. We literally got, hi baby, we literally got like 5 minutes away from home. We're about to go put petrol in, and then the car came up with an engine failure notice. It said basically the engine needed seeing to ASAP. We looked in the instruction manual. He's just excited because he can see his head outside. We looked in the instruction manual, and it basically said that we need to contact the manufacturer as soon as possible, so we're gonna have to do that. So I don't know if we're still going to make it to IKEA or not. IKEA is not important right now. It's just a couple of things that we need. Do excuse the mess. We're still like unpacking boxes. And the dog is crying because he can see his dad. We're just going to have to take it a step at a time, really. I said that my dad can have my car for whatever he needs. He can go out in my car. But the important fact is, like, we don't know what's wrong with the car. It was juddering like crazy, like really bad, like as if he was about to stall it, but it's not great. And as soon as we got out of the car, it was making a really loud noise, and I said it wasn't right. And then as soon as he got to the door of the house, we could still hear it, and it was really loud, and it's like, yeah, that's definitely not right. So we're gonna have to get it sorted. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do yet. We're probably gonna have to contact the manufacturers, go see a garage, and I'll keep you guys updated with what happens today. But this is not how the vlog was planned. I thought we'd just go to IKEA, have a nice like a day in my life, but this basically is a day in my life. Everything seems to go wrong at the moment. We try plan days out, we try plan everything out, and everything just seems to go completely the opposite way we plan it. So we'll see how it goes. They're currently looking into the bonnet, trying to see if there's anything they can do to fix it. But I'll just keep you guys updated. My dad has finally managed to get his car to turn off, which is, you know, a good thing. We are now going to go to Warrington. But we're going to go in my car instead, but we've got someone coming to look at the car tomorrow, I think. So we're just going to have to see how it goes. I'll update you guys exactly on what is happening with the car and what happened when we get back. But we're now going to set off to Warrington to go to IKEA. I'm rather stressed because I do have so much work to do. I've still got to film, still got to edit, and I've got to do a broadcast tonight, and Noah's coming over tonight as well. So I have so much to do, but we're now going to set off. We're now in my car. I'm about to set off. I'm just waiting for my dad to come out. He's just grabbing something from inside. So it is just so chaotic right now. I feel like everything that could go wrong for us right now is going wrong. We managed to get the garage door fixed, which I'm not sure if I mentioned it on my channel before or just on my broadcasts. But like when we came in, I've still got to do a whole story time on this. Like I'm working on it, I promise. But when we came into the house is in an absolute state. And for example, the garage door didn't work. It's an electric one, which we've never had before, but the electric one didn't work. Turned out the motor had gone a long time ago. So we had to get a new motor that cost us £1,300 just for the motor. Not great, but you know, what can you do? It was very unsafe, like people could get into the house through the garage, so we had to get it sorted anyway. So now that's done, it just seems like it is genuinely one thing after another for us. It's going to be so expensive. We've got someone coming out tomorrow afternoon to look at the car. Hopefully they can fix it. We're really hoping so. It's just not great. They said something about plugs maybe, I don't know. I'm not really a car expert, but thankfully we've got my car, so we can go in there. It's not too bad of a car. I don't know if I've got any petrol, so we're gonna have to see about that too. But we're gonna be going to IKEA. We can't get as much as we wanted to get because my car's not as big as my dad's car. Like this is the back in my car, so there's not a load of space. Like there's gonna still be space. We were gonna get a desk, a mirror, a trolley, like my makeup trolley, my TV stand, and maybe a couple of shelves and things like that. That's definitely not all going to fit in mine, so I think we're definitely going to get the TV stand because that's the most important thing. Whatever else we can fit in the car we'll buy as well, but we're just going to have to see how it goes. But I'll still take you guys along with me on the vlog. It just took a little bit of an unexpected turn. It's now about 11:30 and we're just filling up petrol, and this is literally our 3rd petrol station we've had to go to. I genuinely feel like it couldn't get worse today. Everything is going wrong. We're hoping to be on our way back home by now, but this is our 3rd petrol station we've tried because it looks like there is a petrol outage. There's literally so many pumps over here that literally have no petrol in. I'm guessing it's because of Corona getting a little bit worse again with the cases rising. Loads of people have rushed out to get petrol, so there's a petrol outage. It's not been in the news yet, but I expect it to be in the news really soon. But yeah, we are currently filling up. We're still like 5 minutes away from home, so still got like an hour's drive to go, get the stuff, and then an hour's drive back. So it is very stressful thinking about work and how much I've got to do, but it'll be what it'll be absolutely fine. We're just gonna listen to some music and drive there. It's in Warrington, it's at IKEA in Warrington because that's literally the closest one. I think it's the closest one that's open. There might be another one like in Liverpool or somewhere, not too sure. But yeah, we are now gonna set off and make our way there. We have made it to IKEA. It took us a little while, but we're finally here. So we're gonna have a little look around, make sure we know everything that we want, pick everything up, and hopefully get in and out as quick as possible. I'll take you guys around with me though. These are the drawers that I like. It's like a set of shelves and you can get different inserts with them. This is the Kallax one. I bought it in white, 4x2. You can get different inserts, you can get little boxes, you can get shelves, you can get doors. There's all sorts of different things you can get. I got some drawers and some doors as well. I always absolutely love IKEA setups, all their lights, just the way that they display everything. I honestly just absolutely love it. Just makes me want to buy every single thing there. It gives you so much inspiration too. I absolutely love all of their candles. They always have amazing candle displays, and the wardrobes too. We've picked a few bits up. We've got a full basket and I've got this here. We cannot find a trolley anywhere, so I'm literally just having to carry it around. But we're now in the mirror bit. I do still need to have a look at some other bits. We've got some bits that we need to pick up a little bit later on at the warehouse part. But I think we're about halfway through at the moment, but we have actually had quite a successful trip so far. We'll just probably have to come back because my car's not big enough to put everything in. The haul of mirrors was absolutely gorgeous. They genuinely had like every single mirror that you could want. I wanted to pick up so many because in this house we have like 2 mirrors and they're both really small. And there was just so many nice ones here. I really like the round ones. The one that I want to get is round with like a brown skirt outside. It looks so good. So I just want to give you guys a really realistic update. I've been laid on the floor for the last hour editing. So I'm just laid on the floor editing for a bit. We're going to build up one of my storage units in the next 5 minutes. But I'm literally just editing at the moment. I thought, do you know what? Let's just be realistic and just show you guys what I'm actually doing. So I'm just going to get a little bit more editing done. I'm currently putting in some prices for what I paid for things. I'm editing a video that is day 5 Vlogmas. And it's really exciting. I'm loving Vlogmas. I legit love Vlogmas and Vlogtober. Every single year, they're my absolute favourite things to do. We managed to get the drawers all set up, like the calyx unit, but the inserts were honestly so time consuming. We did get started on them, but I haven't actually finished them yet. But we got some of these done and just spent a little time building these. After that, I did a little stream. So on the stream, I decided to organise my blue trolley, because this is the trolley that I actually bought from IKEA. This is going to be a filming trolley, so I'm going to have all my filming things on, makeup, brushes, everything that I might need while I'm filming. I honestly love this trolley. I think it's the perfect colour and the perfect size. So I set all this up while I was live. Had some pizza for tea and I've just come upstairs after it. I do apologise if the quality isn't as good. I'm filming on my phone at the moment because my camera batteries are charging, but we have some pizza for tea, which was so good. We had a pepperoni one and then we had a mushroom and sweet corn. I am just finishing off my video. I don't have long left. I've got a few minutes left to finish and then that's going to be going live, and we're probably going to sit down and watch some I'm a Celeb because it's been such a chaotic day, such a busy day. So we're going to sit down, chill out and watch some I'm a Celeb. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have had an amazing day and I will see you all in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you all in my next video.